place you live all your life, where you shit and piss all your fucking life. Scratching at the fucking wire, having your claws bleed, and then your alien electrocuted. And if that doesn't work, which often happens, you'll be thoroughly skinned alive. But fucking fur, we don't need fur. French corn is disgusting. Let's hide with them, Randy Curry. You're fucking disgusting for dealing with them. And we're gonna keep coming back until you cut ties. Fur trade, that's trade. Fur trade, that's trade. We want a fur free. All your money, all your lives. We'll never compromise. It's disgusting. You're fucking disgusting animal abusers.
Got it. The corrupt Beverly Hills Police Department giving prison animal rights activists all they want. It will not intimidate us. It will not stop us.
Here, let's go this way.
Is this?
That's mine. Where are you taking her?
I already told you.
Let's start. I just ask you where you're taking her.
You can arrest us, but you cannot silence us! Laura Brianna, animal abuser!
Brianna, you will not see the end of us. Your goons at the police department will not silence activists. You can arrest all of us. You can arrest any of us, but that does not stop us because we are bigger than this. This is not just about us. This is about a growing movement that recognizes the pure evil you have been engaged in for decades now, Laura Brianna. Your arrests, your police will not stop this movement. You can put our friends in jail. You can put our friends in jail. You can put our friends in jail. We will take the final nail. You can put us all in jail. We will take the final nail. Portrait death trail. Portrait death trail. Portrait blood trail. Portrait blood trail. Portrait murder trail. Animals' lives are under attack. What do we do? Animals' lives are under attack. What do we do? With the corrupt police department and prison animal rights activists, what do we do? You can put our friends in jail. All your money, all your lives. We will never compromise. Your greed and corporate power. We will never compromise. All your money, all your lives. We will never compromise. Don't want to be bad till we have alien torture train. Fire train, death train. Fire train, death train.
Imagine if you were a dog or a cat trapped in a small metal cage for your entire fucking life, and then you had the skin ripped from your body while you were still conscious. That is what you contribute to, Jeff, and we will not stand for it. Jeffrey Ivory, animal abuser!
Jeffrey Ivory, animal abuser!
Jeffrey Ivory, baby killer!
Jeffrey Ivory, baby killer!
Jeffrey Ivory, mix killer!
Jeffrey Ivory, big killer!
Jeffrey Ivory, fox killer!
Jeffrey Ivory, boss killer!
Fuck animal abusers like Jeffrey Ivory! Cut ties! DHL, go for free, Milan Fashion Week! What do we want? What do we want? Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it?
Animals hate DHL! All the animals really fucking hate you, John! Your position! Your fault! Your decision! Your fault! Your greed! Your fault! That's right, John, it's your fucking money that's making this happen! And until you stop supporting Milan Fashion Week financially, it is your fault! All this killing! All this pain! All this bloodshed! It is so unnecessary! And you are making it happen for no fucking reason! You can easily give this up! Shame, shame, shame on you!
Shame on you for what you do!
All this killing is in vain! If you wouldn't want this done to you,
Why do it to others?
you wouldn't want to have the skin ripped from your body while you're still fucking conscious!
Why do it to others?
You would not want to suffocate in a gas chamber!
Why do it to others?
You would not want to be bludgeoned to death!
Why do it to others?
You wouldn't want to be anally and vaginally electrocuted!
Why do it to others?
You would not want to be forced to watch your brothers and sisters die!
Why do it to others?
Shame, shame, shame on you!
Shame on you for what you do!
Where the hell is your compassion?
It's disgusting! You fucking disgusting animal abusers! Carry on, animal abusers!
Carry on, animal abusers!
Stop the torture! Stop the pain!
I'm trying